Wrapping up with a few final touches here before we head off as our first trip. Many tiny things that we've had to kind of just go through and arrange and rearrange, and it's not just a weekend trip. This is like our life, and we can't tell people we're going on vacation. Well, we're going to go on vacation. That doesn't work, because that's not what we're doing. This is the new chapter of our life. This is what we are embarking on. Today we're heading out. We're going to go to Bryce, and we're pretty excited. It's our maiden voyage, and we'll see what the day brings. So hopefully it's a good one. A few months back, we decided to sell our home, most of our worldly possessions, and pursue the life of living in an RV full-time. At the moment of our choice, we had no idea what that meant exactly, or what the future would hold for us. And truthfully, we still don't.
True that. We've purged our life of so many things, and not just like the physical things, but actually purging a lifestyle that in truth really didn't fit our needs and our wants for our family. We're not taking a stand against living in a typical American neighborhood, because we certainly have done that, and we made the best out of what we had with where we were. It's just that our hearts honestly desired so much more of an experience over things.
Yeah, exactly. You see, over the last 7 years, we've made our best efforts to give our kids the chance to experience this incredible nation that we call America. At every chance we got, we would pack them in an SUV, strap some bins on the top, pack the tents, and off we would go. We have made some great memories with our family that we wouldn't trade for the world. So our plan now is to really just do the same thing, except we just get to take our house with us.
Woohoo! And yes, we've totally leapt out of our comfort zone, taking a huge risk and pursuing something that really we've dreamt about. Some people might think we're crazy, and some people might say, why? But honestly, we say, why not? You know, now seems like just as good a time as any to shake things up. And if there's anything that we've learned about life, it's that you can have your best laid out plans in front of you and really have no control of how they're actually going to turn out. The year 2020 has shown the world that this is true.
Absolutely.
This is what anniversary looks like. Honeymoon anniversary for us.
There you go.
4/11/2020. Look, we got our camping chairs out. We got our Filibertos.
Enchilada Polla style, and then what'd you get?
Carne asada French fries. Like, look at this. I mean, we could just be like, oh look, our honeymoon.
Right, this is the Instagram photo.
By the campfire. Or like these beautiful lights up here.
Yeah,
just like.
But instead, it's like, hey, look at our hot mess.
But my awesome husband set up a nice fancy dinner table right here with our fire.
I actually really appreciate the tipped over pot, the potted plant pot, right? Yeah, I really appreciate that.
The weeds in the backyard and honeymoon anniversary.
That's right.
Yeah.
Guys, we know we are not the only one who has had to celebrate in quarantine, or celebrate an anniversary in quarantine, or a birthday, or a wedding. Everybody's experiencing it and figuring out how to work from home, or trying to celebrate a 40th birthday from home, or a drive-through, or a graduation. Like, everybody has had their own experiences.
And so through all that, right, we have come to realize that so many families are
wanting to just experience more out of life and trying to figure out the how and the why.
And the what now, right?
That whole experience.
That doesn't mean that your what now is going to look like our what now.
Our what now is selling everything we had and getting an RV and venturing out and seeing the United States.
A lot of us just want to find inspiration in where we are right now. Encouragement, hope, what next, and finding the beauty in the mess of all of this stuff.
So true. We understand there's lots of people
That don't know what the heck they're doing right now.
Right, exactly.
We don't either. We're just doing it.
Right. We're just trying to make everyday life beautiful. And I'm sure you are too. So we just hope that this community here encourages you, right? And inspires you. We hope ultimately that you can take something away from our not so perfect life and begin to pursue the passions and start finding creative solutions. I mean, ultimately that's what we've had to do. We had to find a creative solution for all kinds of stuff, as you've seen.
Right.
As you've seen us empty our RV not once, but twice.
Yeah, we really just want to encourage you guys to live your best life and be creative and just enjoy this time the best that we all can. I mean, what else are we going to do? Right? Just make it your own. So we're making it our own. We are on our maiden voyage right now. Bryce Canyon, Utah Lake,
Mount Nebo,
the scenic there's a train.
Just
but who
keep
cares?
recording.
Mount Nebo, and we took this scenic byway, and it was absolutely gorgeous. We've also just had like roadside maintenance.
You'll see that in the next video. There's some roadside maintenance, some repairs going on.
Yeah.
Some grocery store, Jeep bumper fabrication.
We've had to figure out a lot of things. So, but either way, we're making it work.
You know, a lot of times people say subscribe and all that stuff, but ultimately, thanks for just being here with us. And if you want to share this with somebody else, please feel free to do so. If not, that's okay too. But just thanks for coming along. We just want to continue to encourage and inspire y'all.
Yeah. The greatest thing that we have heard from people so far is just like, thank you so much for making my day. Oh my gosh, you guys are inspiring me. Take life and make it the best.
Yeah.
Your best life. Just make everyday life beautiful. We might say that ad nauseum.
But it's really, really true.
But it's the motto we're trying to live by right now. I think it's great to see the beauty in life, even through all the crazy circumstances.
Everything that's happening, so.
Everyday life. Here's a preview of what is to come next week, showing you some of the beautiful places that we've seen, so you can enjoy that beautiful journey with us.
Well, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.